Hey everyone, in this video I will give you a review on MuleBuy. Let's get started and watch the video till the end so you don't miss any important step. If you are frustrated with scrolling through overpriced or questionable online stores, MuleBuy could be a refreshing change. It is more than just another e-commerce site. It actually delivers on its promises. So what sets MuleBuy apart? Authentic products and reliable delivery. What you see is generally what you receive, with no misleading listings. The platform offers competitive prices on a range of items including tech, gadgets, and home goods. It features a user-friendly layout and smooth checkout process and dependable order tracking. Flash deals and discount codes are regular bonus. Delivery times are often faster than expected, particularly for budget purchases. What do users think? Although the platform is still expanding, many reviews and forum posts report that items arrived as described. Customer service is responsive in most cases, while packaging could be improved. It usually acceptable. There may be occasionally delays during busy shopping seasons. Overall, it appears to be a legitimate option, especially for shoppers who appreciate affordable yet quality products. As with online purchase, it is vital to review seller feedback and product details beforehand. That's it.